Respected sir, today my topic is current affairs of Sindhu. So I start my speech with this poetry. लोक असांजो बालो भालो, लोक असांजो बालो भालो, दूर देशी छा जाने, किल कथन में तीर तबन में सर्कस मुंशी छा जाने। वर्कर लीडर टीचर ऑफिसर, वर्कर लीडर टीचर ऑफिसर, सब दानश्वर ही मनीदा, कौम जो मुस्तकबिल चाहते दो फिरनी कुर्सी छा जाने। Respected sir, today we are living here in a modern age. Everything has changed so much and life moves on the click of the chain. Respected sir, if we think about the progress and improvement, today man is running in the square more than 20 times speed of any bird. He is swimming in the seas, oceans like fish. Distance have been shortened. The old past stories are now forgotten. Everything is taking grading, which was considered impossible in the past. As the poet says, he can jo kalam mein kuto alam. He can jo kalam mein kuto alam. He can ja adab sach mein achal kadam. He ashraf makhluq ki aisa ne takbir. Insan wa insan ki azmat jo kasam. Respected sir, on that established and advanced time, what was the condition of our poor laborers? Has anybody remembered his 1440s? We are listening since 1947 that we have finished the 1440s, but it totally both. 4 has been finished then instead of 14. Respected sir, need to be thought. Respected sir, need to be thought that what ought to be done. I think the dramatic change in the life of poor laborers and farmers will be possible if they hold the sustained struggle. Now I will take my place with this poetry. रख याद ज़माना हने तुझे रस्मन से बगावत कही, रख याद ज़माना हने तुझे रस्मन से बगावत कही दी, सब ड्राहे कोट गुलामी जा आज़ाद दावत कही दी। कुछ डूंगर डार जा डारी दे, कुछ डूंगर डार जा डारी दे, कुछ सिजो सिजो बारी दे, इंसाफ अमल के जारी दे, सुख सुन सलामत कही दी। रख याद ज़माना हने तुझे रस्मन से बगावत कही दी, रस्मन से बगावत कही दी।